Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a statement that is a curve which does not end at the starting point is called what? Now, basically there are two types of curves. First is of closed nature, that is closed curve, and the second one is open curve. Now, what's the basic difference between these two graphs? So, in the case of a closed curve, the starting and the end point intersect at each other, that is, they merge each other. But in case of an open curve, the end and the starting point are different. So, let's write it over here. End and start point are same, and in case of open curve, end and start point are different. So, our first option is a sphere. So, if we draw the sphere in 2D curve, so it will somewhat be of this nature. So, as you can see that the start point and the end point merge at each other, so this will be a closed curve. Similarly, for a circle, it will be exactly in this will be the nature of the circle will be similar to that of the sphere in 2D. So, it is again a closed curve. Now, in case of square, we draw it like this. So, again we can see that a square, the end point and the starting point intersect at each other, or rather we can say merge at each other. So, the correct option will be open curve. So, let me give you an example of an open curve. So, an open curve, suppose this is the start point of the open curve, then it will end over somewhat over here. So, as you can see that the start point is not same as the end point. We can take another example. So, let us take this example. So, this is an open curve because the start point and the end point are different. Therefore, option D will be our required final answer. So, that's it. Thank you and have a great day.